a song about a girl named Honey who I made up. And I think it's a cool idea because if we think about our children and what it is that we want to leave them, think about a girl living in the Karoo who's got this beautiful open space and this beautiful land she's living in. And why would we want to change her? Why would we want to take any of that away from her? So this is a song called Open Space, which I wrote for this movement. Honey's eyes like to find an easy way to the horizon. Her gaze desires to unwind with clear views of desert sky. So it makes no sense for you to fill this, and it makes no sense for us to let you go into it. Her ears beg to hear the sound of silence ringing clear. When she puts her ear to the ground, all she wants to hear is earthworms swimming round. So it makes no sense for you to fill this, and it makes no sense for us to let you go into it. If we're not careful, they'll take it all away and leave us with nothing but just closed off space, dividing what is ours unless it's protected. And I know she'll appreciate when we protect